The three types of accountants that you need in your business. In this video, we dive into the three types of accountants that you need in your business as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as a CEO, to really take your business to greater levels, growth, success, cash flow, and wealth, and so much more. Living in your legacy now, leaving that legacy for generations to come as well. So, I am Kersha Campbell. So I spearhead a growth-oriented firm passionate about helping business owners say goodbye to frustration and overwhelm about the state of their business operations. So you have financial chaos, you have less cash coming into your business than what's leaving your business. Your bookkeeping might be a mess. You're not in touch with your financial numbers. You don't know what's happening with your reports. You know that you're working perhaps 40, 60, 80-hour weeks. Some persons are doing that, and you're not sure if you're really getting the results. So I do help you to find opportunities to reduce your costs, getting in touch with their numbers, helping you to be more successful as a business owner. And it all leads back to having increased cash in the bank and building wealth and so much more. So in this video, for the next few minutes, we talk about the three types of accountants that your business needs. And notice I say need. It is very important that you do have these three types of accountants in your business as a business owner in these times. Now, I want you to think about in the medical profession, like when my sons were about to do surgery, we had to meet with different personnel, different persons throughout the whole process. We're meeting with nurses, anesthesiologists, I can never get that name right, anesthesiologists. And we met with even social workers before we actually went to the point of meeting with the surgeon. So there were different persons, they had different roles, right? But each role was very, very, very important, because if as simple as you see it, if the person at the front desk makes a mistake, which has happened, right, then you could be going into the wrong area. So throughout the period, throughout the whole surgery process, different persons are checking your name, your date of birth. They're checking everything about that. Also, they're checking your vitals. The anesthesiologist is ensuring that your vitals are correct, that you are ready for certain medication. And all of these persons feed the flow of information goes to the surgeon to ensure that you are ready, you are prepared for surgery. And that is why I want you to think about this whole scenario as we go through the three types of accountants that your business needs. So in discussing these three types of accountants, it's not to say that one is more important or one is we can do without one. They all support each other. It's a team effort. And if you have all three persons on your team, it really will do wonders for your business. You're going to see the dynamics of your business change. You're going to see growth. You're going to see increased profits, cash flow. You're going to see your business just begins to soar. And again, depending on how your business is set up, one person might be doing different roles, but as much as possible, it's always good to have different persons filling these roles in your business as the accountants, right? So number one, you need a bookkeeper. The bookkeeper is going to be the one who records transactions, what is happening in your business. They're ensuring all the invoices, the sales, it's all recorded. It's going to be, they're going to be ensuring that your bank reconciliations, which is a key process in your business, they're going to ensure that that is up to date. And again, depending on how the expertise of each person involved, you might have certain overlap. So I do know some bookkeepers who do a little bit of the CFO role, and some accountants might do a little bit. So it all depends, right? But definitely you need to know what's happening from the entry point of your business. And that is very important, because I've said it over and over that to save on taxes, to increase your profits, increase your cash flow, to improve your strategy and growth in your business, it all starts with having a good set of books. That is why it is so important that your bookkeeper is knowledgeable enough. They understand the dynamics of your business, they understand accounting principles, and they are able to record your transactions timely, correctly, accurately. They are categorizing them properly because, for example, if your transactions are categorized incorrectly, it impacts the taxes that you pay. So it's all correlated. So it is important that your bookkeeper is able to understand all that is happening in your business and record your transactions correctly, timely, and all that. So that's the first step you need, that gatekeeper. They're going to ensure that things are being recorded accurately in your business. The next type you need is a CFO role, and it's going to be a hybrid. It can be a hybrid between the bookkeeper, the other ending accountant that I'm talking about. Again, it all depends on your business, the expertise of those who are involved in your business, right? So the CFO, they're going to now help you with strategy, driving your business to higher levels. So they're helping you with increasing your cash flow, cash management. They're helping you with budgeting, right? What are the real plans for your business? They're helping you with reducing costs, finding ways in which you can increase the income, the revenue that's coming in your business. It might be changing your price point. It could be helping you with packaging your services, your goods. They're helping you looking on key metrics, which are so important in your business, right? They're helping you to assess, is this really a good, figure? You made $10,000 in sales, but is that really good when you compare to all the other, dynamics, all the other factors that affected your business for that month, right? You might have this amount in profit, but when you take a step back and say, okay, you made this sales, it cost you this much for this profit, you realize, okay, that's really not acceptable. You need to do better. Things need to change in your business to really get a higher profit margin. So the CFO helps you with getting into all this. They also help you to save on taxes, developing that tax plan strategies for taxes. They help you to assess the financial health of your business, right? Is your business positioned to really be recession proof, right? Do you have reduced risk? Do you really have a business of value? Some persons, some business owners, and I see it very often, you are operating a business, you're working 40, 60 hours. However, if someone approached you to purchase your business, to buy your business for whatever reason, your business would not be attractive for sale based on key things that make a business valuable and attractive for sale. Your business will be failing in that area, and that is very sad. So the CFO definitely will help you to be saying, okay, you're not positioned in the right way. They help you with diving into these areas in your business. And even as a routine for my clients, it's something that we look on consistently. What's really happening in the business. This is the sales. I like to call it looking beyond the numbers. We ensure that we are assessing things on a monthly basis. We're looking at opportunities for improvement, increasing the value of the business. That is very, very important. That's something that we do at least on a monthly basis, that we are reviewing, we're looking on the best way for tax strategies, saving on taxes as well. So the CFO fits in, it's kind of there, they're that intermediary between the bookkeeper and the last category, which I'll talk about quickly, the final accountant. They are the ones who are actually completing the paperwork. So they are completing the paperwork for filing your taxes, filing your year-end reports, actually preparing your year-end as a company and even as a sole proprietor as well. So that is why it's important to have these different categories of accountant, and also a good reason why it's good to have different persons, different roles, is that they help to serve checks and balances on each other. So the bookkeeper might miss something, but the CFO captures it. There might be an error. No one is perfect. So the bookkeeper makes an error, the CFO might catch it. The accountant makes an error, the CFO might catch it there. So it's not working against each other. These different roles, they're working together to ensure that as a business, you are positioned to be recession proof, you're positioned to be valuable, you are positioned for profits and cash flow in your business. And that is so important. And I do know a lot of persons, when they think of business owners, CEOs, entrepreneurs, a lot of persons, there's that myth that, okay, when it comes to bookkeeping and an accountant, the only thing you need to be concerned is just having transactions in. But that is just a part of the picture. And I see it over and over where, the word will be out there. Why are these corporations, these large corporations, so successful? Why are they still standing strong? And that is because they have different persons in these roles. They realize the importance of having all these different roles, different persons functioning to help the business support itself and to grow and to really surpass its targets. So think of it, if you were in a hospital, if you didn't have all the various persons, then things would not be looking good. It serves a purpose. It's just like the body. All the different parts of our body serve a function. If you lose a foot or a hand or a limb for whatever reason, you will you'll function, but it's never the same. A lot of persons strive in these areas, but it's never the same, because that's not the original design. That's not how God really designed your body. Each body part does serve a purpose and a function. So in the same way, each of these types of accountants do serve a purpose, a function, and it is so important to ensure that your business is positioned to be recession proof. It is positioned to really grow. Your business is positioned to really withstand, all these eventualities, all the challenges that come at times with operating a business, maneuvering the business storms, the business environment, the economic environment. The list is so long of all the things that impact a business. So that is it. I do want you, as business owners, entrepreneurs, as CEOs, to remember and understand the importance of all these different roles in your business, right? The number one reason businesses fail is lack of paying attention to their business numbers, their cash flow. It is so sad that it's out there. That's the number one reason. And yet still, we see a lot of times it's not given the priority it needs, right? It's like being operating without connecting all the dots in your business. So I see it over and over. So I want to encourage you, as business owners, entrepreneurs, CEOs, remember that you need different sets of eyes on your business. You need different roles on your business. The bookkeeper, who's going to be the gatekeeper, getting all the transactions in, the CFO, taking it to that other level, assessing the accuracy of the transactions, helping you with strategy growth, cash flow, cash management, helping you with budgeting, variance analysis, helping you with tax plan, assessing your key metrics. Where's the direction of your business really going, right? What's really happening in your business? What can be done to take your business to greater levels, reducing costs, increasing your profits, cash flow, and so much more. And the tax expert, the accountant, filing your tax returns, preparing your year end, helping you with other, requirements, government regulations, helping you that these reports are filed, these reports are submitted on time, and so much more. And the best thing is never to have them to be the same person, because then they can be checking on each other and you have that, separation of functions, internal control is improved. And again, like I see it over and over, the benefits of having these different sets of eyes on your business as a business owner. I see it working with my clients all the time, the results and the successes that happens from having that model in your business. And again, it can be a wider scope, it can be even more detailed. And I'll quickly say, as I close out, that these days a lot of successful persons are having different types of coaches: a mindset coach, an emotional coach, they have a business coach, they have, a revenue coach, a sales coach, so many different types of coaches. And why is that? Because persons are increasingly seeing that for you to function as a person, you need different support, you need different expertise to touch on the different areas that impact your body, that impact your mind and well-being as an individual, much more your business, right? So Signing off, this is Kersha Campbell, the Cash Flow Maven. I do help business owners move from financial chaos and overwhelm and frustration about what's happening in their business to cash flow and wealth and creating that recession-proof business and so much more. So signing off, we'll talk again. Thank you for joining, guys. Bye.